Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you a simple way by which you can remove incognito mode in Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, open Chrome on your PC. Now after that, go on the search bar and go on Google Chrome extension. Now here type on the search bar incognito blocker. Okay, here it is. Click on it and download this extension. Click on add to Chrome. After that, click on add extension. The extension is added. Just go over here on this puzzle icon right over here on top right corner. Click on it and click on manage extension. Before that, here's the extension. Pin this extension and after that click on manage extension. Okay, find your incognito blocker. Here it is. Click on details and allow the switch. Allow in incognito on this switch. Now as you can see, incognito mode is not opening. So that's it for the video. That's how you can remove incognito mode on Chrome easily. Thanks for watching.